we do have records of what it was like for my family during I think it's the 1905 Odessa pogrom, which was the most severe. They were so those were the Aptekars, and they were probably upper middle class. I think the father owned an apothecary shop or some sort of business, and but they were confined to their house because of the rioting in the streets. And so we have records that stories that people in our family have written about how they were trapped in the house that winter, and it was freezing cold. They didn't have fuel for the fire to heat the house, and so they had the whole family was in this bed underneath all these feather blankets, and they had eaten most of their food and couldn't go out, but their father had saved this last cone of sugar, and he broke it into little pieces and fed it to the children, and that was the last thing they had. But apparently they survived.